Cities need clearer, faster insight into real street conditions to understand what is really happening on their streets. But regular manual inspections are slow, expensive, and difficult to scale. Problems are often noticed too late. Static sensor networks help, but they are costly, fixed in place, and leave gaps in coverage.
TayuTech is a modular moving ecosystem of already existing vehicles in a city and turns them into data collectors. Instead of building new static infrastructures, cities can utilize their existing fleets of vehicles like garbage trucks, buses, and utility vehicles to collect more timely data.
The solution combines sensing, AI detection, and geo-mapped analyzed data to support city decisions. It is built to be reliable, practical, and ready to expand for new cases.
As the vehicle moves, the system captures street-level data. AI helps detect relevant objects, which are then shown as geo-mapped points and object status information in the city dashboard.
Better traffic-related insight supports faster responses and better planning.
Better street-level inputs can strengthen environmental monitoring. That helps cities to make decisions with more confidence.
When cities detect road problems earlier, they can allocate maintenance resources before minor issues become major.
Since the platform is modular, cities can start with one need and expand over time as new use cases are added.
Piloted in Tallinn, Dublin, and Pula, TayuTech is designed for cities that need better coverage, faster insight, and smarter decisions, without relying only on costly fixed infrastructure. Our mobile sensors continuously collect data on environmental conditions, road surface quality, roadside signage, and street furniture. The modular design of our solution enables us to quickly adapt and expand into additional use cases tailored to each city's needs. Looking for smarter ways to understand your city? Join TayuTech today.